how to clear the history of run command. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you clear the history of your run command. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the registry editor on your system. So for that you'll have to just come on the bottom of your screen and in the search bar you'll have to type for registry. Alright, so after you find the registry editor, click on open. Alright, click on yes. Okay, so after you open the registry editor, you'll get such interface. So from the top left corner, you'll have to click on the option H key current user. Alright, so from here click on Microsoft, and now from here click on Windows. Okay, so from here click on current version. Now from here click on Explorer. Alright, so from there you'll find options like run MRU, and from that option you can easily find all of the save commands on your section just at the right hand section of your screen. So the command will be saved with the name like ABCD, and from there you'll have to just delete all of the files or saved run commands like ABCD, and after you delete that you'll be able to clear the history of your run command. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.